Hi, Motionland here, and now I'll show you how easy it is to work with these titles inside Premiere Pro and After Effects. First, let's add our titles to the library for quick access. You need to do this only once. Then, drag and drop desired title to the timeline, and under the Essential Graphics panel, change the text. To make animation shorter, find the Out animation and cut it using the Razor tool. To extend the title set current time indicator where you want to add the time, perform a right-click on the title and choose Insert Frame Hold Segment and set up the duration. Lots of titles look great with the extrude effect. You can also customize the length of the line and colors. Titles have an option to enable the additional background. And that's all you need to know about the work with the titles inside Premiere Pro. In After Effects, everything looks almost the same. You can replace the text inside the Essential Graphics panel and set the duration with the markers. The project has 105 titles for many occasions, and each title has an isometric version, 15 and 30 degrees. Have fun and good luck!